Correct TV.
You know, they say the best way to get over an ex-boyfriend is to grab a new one.
From my sister Tutu, now to Linda.
The thing is, you're in a serious relationship and I'm also in a serious relationship. What we need to do is just suppress whatever we're feeling.
Have you met my sister Tutu?
You are extremely beautiful.
Thank you.
This is Jasmine. Jasmine? Me? You remember my very good friend, Chief Makantone. He has shown interest in you.
I'm only tolerating you because of Faruko. But that doesn't mean you should take my gentility for weakness.
I went to school. I look like this just to become somebody's third wife. Really?
There's an unwanted element in that apartment. Only you have the power to get rid of.
Tell me something. Are you still in love with my friend?
You can never really know somebody 100%.
Did you think we wouldn't find your stash?
Cobra, yes, I get D. The guy messed with me. I want to teach the guy a lesson. How much? 100,000.
Correct TV.
Now we own.